Greetings! You have been selected to attend the 2021 Met Gala? Just give us $30,000!
Oh, hell no!
Hello everybody, we are back! So no, we are not actually going to the Met Gala. I know, I'm so sad. But we're gonna act like we are, or at least going to somewhat of a version of it. So we're just gonna act and pretend as if we are, cause why not? Anywho, but wait, there's more. I'm gonna have a little twist on it. We're not just gonna buy a dress. We're not just gonna get dressed up. I have to make it a little bit more complicated than that. So I am going to go out and thrift my dress and try to see if we can make some sort of a formal, interesting dress out of something that I thrifted. So every year the Met Gala has a theme to it. This year, and I guess because they're doing like a half year, they're doing like one Met Gala right now, and they're doing like the other half of it in May. And the theme this year is In America, a Lexicon of Fashion. And it says it's honoring the 75th anniversary of the Costume Institute and celebrating modern American fashion. How interesting. Well, so I'm kind of thinking a red dress, but I love gold, so I'm thinking a red dress with gold embellishments and stuff. I have a lot of gold jewelry and little things here and there, so let's go. Hey guys, we are outside of my local thrift store. I'm gonna go in here and try to see if I can find something for the Met Gala. So let's go. Okay, so shocker, I forgot to record anything inside, and I didn't find anything here, but I ended up going to Goodwill, and guess who found a red dress? So this dress that I found is actually pretty bomb, because you can tie it and mix it and match it any way that you want, and it still had the tags on it. Seriously, I got it from Goodwill. And I looked up the brand. I think it's an Amazon brand, but whatever. And not gonna lie, it's honestly a pretty dress just by itself, to be honest. I'm like, dang, I would honestly probably just wear this to the Met Gala, but you know, everyone's gotta have the Gooch, the Versace. But yeah, they can't be showing up with Amazon. I mean, I bet you could. I mean, Katy Perry literally showed up as like a cheeseburger and a chandelier. So, wait, before we go any further, make sure you bop that subscribe and hit the notification bell, please. If you want more of like a daily type thing from me, go follow me on Instagram. It's Camel Joe. So let's go. Okay, so I first added some gold thread to the straps of the dress. Kind of digging it, but I had tied it up. So I took the two straps and then I crossed them over. And then when I crossed them over, I pulled it over this underneath and then whoop, whoop, through my arm so I can give me a sleeve. So I pretty much just tied a knot and then let the rest hang out like as if it's a sleeve. But it's not an actual sleeve, but it gives the illusion. Really American. Ooh, you know what? This looks like some freaking Marvel shit.
I'm a Sokovian fortune teller.
I feel like I am like in a Marvel movie right now, actually, with this. So, okay, so this is totally like American because we just have got like a crap ton of superheroes and stuff. So there we go. I've Americanized it by making myself a superhero. Or you know what else? Star Wars. I feel like I'm like something out of Star Wars right now.
I am Queen Amidala.
Oh, I like it. Okay. So next we have got to add next we need to add a petticoat to this. So, yeehaw. Petticoat, we're gonna put underneath of this. Put the petticoat on now. So we've got a lot more, ow! We have a lot more volume. But I need to add some belts and such. Okay, so then I decided to go on Amazon and order myself a little Met Gala bling bling. I got a red crown here. It was like $20. I mean, compared to how much these things cost in bridal shops, any sort of anywhere else you'd get it, or if it was real, it'd be really expensive. So a good 20 bucks won't break the bank. But I needed some added bling bling for this occasion. All right, guys, the final reveal. I dolled myself up a little bit, put some makeup on, did my hair, added some blingery to me. That plain simple dress that it was, and with a little bit of added accessories, you would probably see this at your Met Gala. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell. And let me know down in the comments today, what is your favorite Met Gala look of today or of all time? Thanks, and I'll see you later.